Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa mawala amma ba'd. First of all, let's pray and thank to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has been giving us some mercies and blessings so we can attend this place with any trouble and obstacles. Secondly, let's salat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who guided us from darkness to the lightness and Islamic religion. Okay, so today I want to talk to you about the AGRP summarization default truth. So before I will continue this topology, there is 3 router here. So what is AGRP summarization default truth? AGRP summarization default truth is a way for a router to tell its AGRP networks that is the main path for all unknown traffic. This is done by creating a special summary route of 0.0.0.0/0 as a result. Other routers will see it as the gateway to the internet or any external network. Okay. So now I will show you the configuration. So before configuration, you can delete the before configuration, that is interface. You can enter interface Ethernet 0/0 and then no IP summary address AGRP10 3.3.3.0, then this for the subnet mask. Okay, you can check in the left router, you can do show output. You must do like this. And then in the middle route, you can show IP route. You can check this. And then you can do show IP route in right routers. This the router right, you can enter interface 0 Ethernet 0/0. You can add IP summary address AGRP10 and 0.0.0.0 and then subnet mask is 0.0.0.0. And then this for the simple explanation. And then these two. And then you can show IP route again in the router left. There is IP address 0.0.0/0 and then from AGRP this 90 from AGRP via 12.12.12.2 via from the middle route. Okay, and then this same for the middle route. So you can ping IP address 3.3.3.18. This successful. There is 100%. Okay, so these two. Okay, you can add again the cloud here in the topology. You can add the cloud for the internet. And then the configuration, that is you can enter the interface Ethernet 0/1, no shutdown for the active port, and then IP address DHCP. This DHCP for the automatic send the IP address. Okay, and then this you can waiting for notification. And then this if there is you can get the IP DHCP. Okay, this for the IP address. And then these two you can do show IP interface brief. There is Ethernet from the Ethernet 0/1 192.168.133.159 from the DHCP. Yeah, and then you can ping again, ping 8.8.8, and then cannot ping. Yeah. Okay, if you already make some configuration, you can save. You can writing copy running config startup config. That is for this save your configuration. Okay. For the next is about Azure redistribution connected. This I'm using the topology SAM like before. Okay, what is Azure redistribute connected mean the router will take all network from its directly connected interface that are not already made by network command in Azure and advertise them into the Azure process. Yeah, and then I will show you what this configuration. You can first enter the interface Ethernet 0/0, then you can delete the no IP summary address Azure 10.10, and then IP address 0.0.0.0, and then for the second class, and then the router right you can enter the router Azure 10 and then no network 0, and then you can add the network 23 and then network 3. Yeah, you can add the router Azure 10, and then you can rating redistribute connected metric, and so this yeah already registered in Azure. So the next there is and then you can in the router right you can rating redistribute connected metric 1 and like this 111. Yeah, this is for the simple explanation. Yeah, if you already done, you can show IP route in the left routers. So here so many router and router IP address. There is IP address 1, 3, 2, and 3. Yeah, and then there is this DEX. DEX from Azure external. That is the IP address 192.168.133.0. Okay, you can show IP route again, and so in the middle router same there is the information from 133. Okay, so the next you can ping. Yes, if you ping 192.168.133.2 can success to send it. Yeah, so here too can send it. Yeah, so if you already done, you can save the configuration. So now I want to tell you about the next is Azure redistribute Azure redistribute static default route. What is Azure redistribute static default route? Means your configuration static default route on router. Then use redistribute static in Azure so that default route gets advertised to network. This default route get advertised to a network. This way, all routers in the Azure domain will know where to send traffic for unknown destination. Yeah. So here I want to show you this for the topology still same, and then this The first is you can in the left router you can add the hostname AGRP, and then in the router Icebear, and there is router AGRP, Icebear, and static. So the first you can change the name. In the left router you can change to be AGRP, and then the middle router you can change to be Icebear, and then the right router you can change to static. In the Icebear you can no interface loopback 0, and then router AGRP 10, and then you can delete no network 2.2, and then no network 23. And then for the static route we can no interface loopback, all interface loopback, and then no router static. And then you can do ping IP 8.8, and then success. This you can success to send the internet. So next is you can exit from config the routers before. So here you can IP route and 0.0.0.0, and then for the subnet mask 0.0.0, and then IP address 23.3, and IP route again 3.3.3.3, and then subnet mask 255, and then for the IP address that is 23.3. And then the static route you can again IP route 12.0, and then the subnet mask 255, and then for the IP address 23.2, and then again you can writing IP route 1.1.1.1, and for the subnet mask 255, and then this for the IP address 23.2. So you can install the redistribute in the router Icebear. You can router AGRP 10, and then redistribute static metric. So here already delay, and there is notif bandwidth metric in kbit per second, and then there is AGRP delay metric in 10 microsecond units. So here this, and then so next is you can again redistribute static metric 1. So this for the simple explanation, and this you can show IP route, and there is the notification from DEX, and then DX from DX 0.0/0, and there is via 12.12.12.2. These two, there is from the there is IP address 3.3 via 12.12. Okay, you can check ping, do ping. Icebear can ping internet that is successful. These two successful, and then the last is you can save the configuration that is copy running config startup config. Okay, maybe that's all from me about in this video. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.